What's up, everyone? So jumping straight into the knowledge and basics of market structure. Now, I know it says market structure basics and you think, oh, well, this is going to be easy and it's not that important. This is thoroughly important. Okay, market structure is going to be the main key to how we are going to analyze the markets. So you need to make sure that you understand this, that you get this down. Obviously, we're going to go in depth in certain areas, but make sure you get the simple stuff down, because a lot of people will brush past the simple stuff and it will cause them issues, and they'll be eventually getting the wrong trades because they haven't got their market structure right. So they've got their zones wrong and it's all just a big mess. So just make sure that you understand this completely. Okay. Now, I know from learning from several courses that people can blabber on and attention spans are short, including myself. So I'll try and make this as quick and simple, but as knowledgeable for you guys as possible. Okay, so now there are three types of market structure. Okay, there's uptrend, which is this one here, uptrend, ranging, which is the middle one, and downtrend. Don't know why my ranging disappeared there. Good old trading view. All right, ranging. So we've got uptrend. Why is it an uptrend? Because market price is pushing upwards. Why is this ranging? Because price is creating equal highs and equal lows. Price is essentially going sideways, consolidating, ranging, whatever you want to call it. And then price on the downtrend is obviously going downwards. Okay, on the uptrend, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs. Downtrend, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows. Okay, ranging, equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows. Now, moving on from that, what else do we get when we see an uptrend? Okay, so what we see is price, that it's an uptrend because price here has taken this high here and given us a new higher high. Now this is called a break of structure. Okay, so we can clearly see that price has pushed up and broken structure here and created a new higher high, giving us that uptrend. Again, we can see that here as well. On the next one, we'll see a break of structure here also. So we've got two breaks of structure on this chart here. So BOS, BOS. So BOS, break of structure. Okay. Now we have the same on a downtrend, but it's to the downside. So your break of structure is here. Well, break of structure is here. And here. Again, what are you doing? It's me pressing the wrong keys. So, break of structure to the downside, break of structure to the downside. Okay, so again, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. Why is this a break of structure? Because the lower low, because price has taken this lower low, creating this lower low. Okay, it's then given a pullback to this higher low and this lower low. Okay, so we've got this leg here to push up, lower high, higher high, a pullback to create the new lower high, then a push up, creating a new leg, higher high, leg down as a reversal or a pullback, and then a push up with a new leg, a higher high on the uptrend, and the same down, downward leg, pullback, downward leg, pullback, downward leg. Okay, and then again, equal highs, equal lows on the ranging. Now we don't really want to be looking at where a price ranging too much. It'll mainly be, we might look for our zones in these areas, or it will be liquidity, etc. Now, what else? Because obviously price will change. It's not just going to continue always up to an uptrend. It's not always going to continue on a downtrend. It's not always going to go sideways. We have change of characters. Now let's use the downtrend as an example. What is a change of character? So price is continuing on the downtrend, creating the lower low, but now price decides, okay, I don't want to go down anymore. So the bulls, the buyers take control. So the sellers have been in control for the downtrend. Now the buyers are taken over and price decides to take this higher low, creating a new higher high, new higher low, and higher high, and so on. So again, we then have the change of character. So this line here will now become a chalk. Okay, chalk is change of character. Chalk, change of character. Okay, so this is now your change of character here, and then which, because price has changed direction, it's now continuing bullish. So this will then become your, sorry team, mute that. This will then become your higher high, and this will then become your lower high. Okay, and then that one, the next one after that will then be your break of structure. And then we can continue on an uptrend until we get another change of character, and then it pushes again on a downtrend. All right, so we'd see price come down here, take this change of character, and continue on a downtrend. Okay, so like I say, this is our main layout. This is what we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking at these on multiple time frames, mainly on the daily to build a story, then on the 4 hour to find our zones, then the 15-minute zone to find our zone within zones, and then our 1 minute to find our executions. All right, so how we enter the trades. I hope you managed to get a lot from this. Again, don't just brush over it. It is important. So yeah, I hope you managed to gain some knowledge from this, and I will see you in the next one.